Strong? Hey guys, today I am going to be doing a Petit Vour unboxing video. This is the December box. This is my first time getting it. So the way to like catch you up on your boxes is kind of weird. So they send you the one like during the month that you ordered. And then I'm not sure if I'll get January's or if I'll wait until I get February's box. But we'll just go ahead and get into this one so you can kind of get an idea of what you're in for if you're interested in this box. Petit Vour is an Austin-based vegan, cruelty-free cosmetics seller. So they have like their beauty box, which you can get for between $15 and $18 a month, depending on what plan you pick. You can also just buy the products that they sample in these boxes, or just other, what am I trying to say? Or you can just buy like vegan, cruelty-free apparel, accessories. They have like some stationery, which I didn't know that stationery could be vegan, but I guess anything can be vegan. What this box is, though, is a beauty box, so it's got skincare, hair care, body, I think you can get aromatherapy, etc. You do fill out kind of the survey that like specifies things to what you want, but I did notice that this box was the exact same for pretty much everybody. But they do ask on the survey like whether or not you want bath products, which I think is really cool because I don't have a bathtub. So that's nice. Okay, so I'll get into the actual box. Here is what the box looks like. It comes with these like little like squiggly paper things. So the first product that's in it is the Province Apothecary Full Brow Serum. This is a sample size product. It retails for $16, but the full size goes for $36. What it is a brow serum that promotes the appearance of richer eyebrows by stimulating hair follicles and improving hair luster. So how you do it is you just shake it up and then put it on your clean, dry eyebrows and just massage it in for 20 seconds or so. I used it last night. This is my second time shooting this video. It did not come out very well the first time. So I did try it out. It smells like very fresh. The most like prominent smelling ingredient I think is probably the rosemary and maybe the lavender. I'm not sure how well it works, and I'm not sure how much I need it given the thickness of my brows, but maybe they will help them grow. I don't know. Do I need thicker eyebrows? I don't know. Either way, it's I guess like a luxury item, and I like the eyedropper and it makes me feel fancy, so there's that. The next item on the list that they give you is the Audacity Synergy for Immediate Skin Perfecting Beauty Mask. This is a $6 sample. The full size retails for $59. I haven't used this yet, obviously, because it would be open, but it does say that it detoxes, peels, brightens, and firms your skin with activated charcoal and clay, papaya enzymes, fruit acid, vitamin C, and probiotics. So you basically just like mix it in with water to get the consistency that you want, and then you put it on like a mask, obviously not in your eyes. Leave it on until it dries, and then you rinse it off. I'm excited to try it because I like to try new masks. I don't know, it would have to be like a miracle worker for me to honestly be okay spending $60 on a mask. And even then, I probably wouldn't ever spend $60 on a mask. I say that, I guess maybe one day, but I guess it'll be fun to try. The next item is this Juice Beauty Phyto Pigments Ultra Natural Mascara. This is a $10 sample. The full size is $22. It is designed to minimize smudging and flaking. It's a non-drying formula that leaves lashes clump-free. I did put this on this morning on one eye, and then I put my Bare Minerals on the other eye. Did I say Bare Minerals? I put on my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I don't know why I said Bare Minerals. But I really do kind of think that there was a difference, because this Juice Beauty one seemed like a lot more like natural, like it says, and feathery, and like you can even kind of see on the brush. I don't know, like I wonder like if the spirally stuff contributes to it. It's not clumpy at all. My Too Faced one, while I like it because it's really like in your face and it shows up well on a camera, This one is like really nice for real life wear, I guess. So I'm pretty happy with this. I might consider buying it once I run out of this, just because the other one can be a bit much for day-to-day use because I have glasses. And it like, does anyone else have like really long eyelashes and then they put on their glasses and then like their eyelashes hit their glasses, and if they don't wait for their mascara to dry, their mascara like goes on their glasses? This one I think is just more like, makes them like feathery. It does coat them, but it's not super lengthening. So it might be good for glasses wearers. Okay, the next product is the True Moringa, I'm guessing that's how you say it, Lip Whip in Truth. It is a full-size product for $16. It's a naturally colored lip balm enriched with moringa oil, rejuvenating and healing scaly or cracked lips. I have been wearing this. I'm not wearing it right now because it keeps rubbing off. But I wore it to bed last night, and whenever I woke up, my lips were softer, but that's just like what happens when you wear any lip balm at night. I'll put it on really quick so you can see kind of. It's obviously moisturizing because it's a balm, and has just like the tiniest little hint of color, which is nice because sometimes I put on lip balm, but I'm really wishing that I had a lip product on because I'm wearing other makeup, but my lips in the winter especially just turn to garbage. I did end up using like a lip exfoliant earlier today and then put this back on it, and that kind of helped better because before it was just like sticking in everything. I mean, I do like it and I'm going to keep applying it. It is kind of like, it doesn't have that weird of a taste to it compared to this Burt's Bees lip balm that I had and this like vegetable oil based lip balm that I had. It's lightweight. It's not like too greasy and disgusting feeling. So thanks. 8 out of 10. Another product that came in it. This is the last sample that is actually part of the box. The other thing I got from using a code, but I'll go ahead and show you what it was after I talk about this one. So this product is the Ursa Major Golden Hour Face Cream. It's just like a moisturizer. It says recovery cream on it. It is a $6 sample and it retails for $48. It says it's for all skin types. I put it on last night. I put it on one half of my face and I put my Clinique, like dramatically different for dry combination skin moisturizer on the other half. I would say there was not like a difference when I woke up, but I do think that the consistency putting on my Clinique one was like significantly thinner than this one, which I think is not like a good or bad point on either end. I think that it's just, if you were putting on a moisturizer at night to like pack in and like seal in all the moisture, you'd probably want to go for this versus just like your everyday average Joe moisturizer. Yeah, but I mean, I like it. It does have a nice smell to it. It smells amazing. Like, amazing. I don't know. It's probably the black currant in it that is so delicious. Like, oh my god. It's like this one Lush, I don't know if it was a moisturizer or like their seaweed mask or something, but it brings back memories of whenever I very first got into skincare. How much was the full size again? And these are like luxury items. So if I really wanted to treat myself, I'd probably be super into this. Okay, the last thing that came in my box, which was just like a bonus item, is a body wash from the brand Plant Apothecary. It is called Get Happy, made with organic oils, geranium, and peppermint. It offers essential oils that are known to lift your spirits any time of day. Here's to feeling great. Oh, this is so cool. It says that plant products are made with the help of adults with physical and mental disabilities. Wow. Okay, I think that is actually like super cool for a company to do. It also says it has no parabens, petroleum phthalates, am I saying that right? Phthalate, sulfate, dimethicone, synthetic fragrances or preservatives, or animal-derived products. It smells amazing. Super pepperminty. It's not too small of a sample either. So that is it for this month's box. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comments, if you would consider purchasing it, if you feel like the products are worth the amount that you pay. If there are any other boxes that you guys know of that you think would be good options, just feel free to let me know because I will look into them. I am on the waiting list for BoxyCharm, so whenever that comes in, I'll be sure to make some videos on that because I'm really interested in their stuff because they tend to do more full-size products. But I think that for the fact that these are like luxury items that they are all vegan and cruelty free, and that they seem to be from companies that are really like ethically conscious. I feel pretty good about this box and this purchase. Leave a like, comment, all that jazz, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!